Kevin, Kendall, and Derek here with Kostoff Company at Nova Homelands for a little coffee talk this morning. I can't hardly speak.
Well, that's because the world's going crazy, man.
Yes, it is. We just read an article by Jamie Dimon over at Chase Bank talking about quantitative easing, and we got a new one, quantitative tightening.
Whoa, that sounds a little bit different here.
Yes, we're going to tighten now. We've eased, now we're going to tighten. So.
Tell me what that means.
That's a really good question.
Yeah, what
because
does that really mean?
I'm not really sure I understand the change in terminology. Basically, they're trying to offset the inflation that's hitting our country right now, right? You know, we've got a war going on in Europe, and that's causing a bunch of ripples in grain, in oil, everything, right? So we're seeing all these prices go up in inflation. So the Fed is tightening the monetary policy, and that's raising interest rates across the board, whether it's a home mortgage or anything else, credit cards and kind of the whole shooting match, to hopefully offset some of this inflation that's happening.
Right, and during COVID a couple years ago, they did quantitative easing, where they were buying mortgages and thus, creating more cash in the marketplace and easing the economic pressures.
Right. So their balance sheet today has about $7 trillion worth of mortgages, and they have decided that they're not going to buy as many in the future, right? Make it go out into the secondary market, which is probably a good thing, a little more competitive. Maybe that'll help interest rates a little bit. Not only are they doing that, they're actually going to net sell about $95 billion in mortgage-backed securities. Sounds like a lot, but $95 billion versus $7 trillion is
Drop
kind
in
of a
the
drop
bucket.
in the bucket, right?
Kind of what you get paid, right? No, just teasing. Folks, bottom line is that mortgage interest rates have gone up a bit. They are still historically incredibly good. And so people are still buying homes and being able to qualify relatively easily if they do. The important part is give us a call today and let's start the qualification process before you get out in that marketplace. So give us a call. Kevin, Kendall, and Derek here at Kostoff Company.